Top 20 largest aircraft in Europe. Antonov An-124 Ruslan. This is the Antonov An-124 Ruslan, introduced in 1982 in the Soviet Union, now Ukraine, one of the largest military transport aircraft in the world. Measuring 69.1 meters in length with a 73.3 meter wingspan, it has a maximum takeoff weight of 405 tons and can carry 150 tons of cargo. With a cargo hold 36.5 meters long, the An-124 can transport tanks, helicopters, or massive industrial equipment, and it has set numerous airlift records. Antonov An-22 Ante. This is the Antonov An-22 Ante, first flown in 1965 in the Soviet Union, the largest turboprop-powered aircraft in the world. It is 57.9 meters long, with a wingspan of 64.4 meters and powered by 4 turboprop engines. The An-22 can carry over 80 tons of cargo, fly 5,000 kilometers, and land on unpaved or snow-covered runways, serving both military and humanitarian missions. Airbus Beluga Saint. This is the Airbus Beluga ST, introduced in 1995 in Europe, famous for its whale-shaped nose. At 56.2 meters long with a 44.8 meter wingspan, it can carry up to 47 tons of cargo in a 7.1 meter wide hold. It is used to transport Airbus aircraft parts between factories across Europe. Antonov An-225 Mriya. This is the Antonov An-225 Mriya, launched in 1988, in the Soviet Union, Ukraine, the largest aircraft in aviation history. Measuring 84 meters in length with an 88.4 meter wingspan, it has a maximum takeoff weight of 640 tons and a payload of 250 tons. Powered by 6 jet engines, it has transported massive items such as locomotives, wind turbine blades, and even the Buran space shuttle on its back. Airbus Beluga XL. This is the Airbus Beluga XL, unveiled in 2018 in Europe, 63.1 meters long with a 60.3 meter wingspan, offering 30% more cargo space than the Beluga Saint. It can carry up to 51 tons and is easily recognized by its painted, smiling whale face. Antonov An-70. This is the Antonov An-70, developed in 1994 in Ukraine, 40.7 meters long with a 44.06 meter wingspan. Equipped with 4 powerful prop fan engines, it can carry 47 tons of cargo, fly 5,100 kilometers, and operate from short or unpaved runways. Bay 146-300. This is the Bay 146-300, produced in 1988 in the United Kingdom, 1.2 meters long, with a 26.3 meter wingspan, seating up to 128 passengers. Known for its quiet jet engines, it is ideal for noise-restricted airports and is used for both passenger and cargo transport. Ilyushin Il-76. This is the Ilyushin Il-76. First flown in 1974 in the Soviet Union, 46.6 meters long, with a 50.5 meter wingspan and a payload capacity of 50 tons. It performs well in extreme weather, serving in military transport, disaster relief, and even aerial firefighting with massive water tanks. Tupolev Tu-144. This is the Tupolev Tu-144, introduced in 1968 in the Soviet Union, 65.7 meters long, with a 28.8 meter wingspan capable of reaching Mach 2.15, about 2,300 km/h. It was the world's first supersonic passenger jet, often compared to the Concorde. Tupolev Tu-160. This is the Tupolev Tu-160, launched in 1981 in the Soviet Union, 54.1 meters long, with variable geometry wings spanning from 35.6 to 55.7 meters, and capable of Mach 2 speeds. It is the largest strategic bomber in the world, carrying up to 45 tons of weapons and flying 12,300 kilometers without refueling. Concorde. This is the Concorde, introduced in 1969 through a UK-France collaboration, 61.7 meters long with a 25.6 meter wingspan and capable of Mach 2.04. Carrying around 100 passengers, it could fly from London to New York in just over 3 hours, a commercial feat unmatched to this day. Myasishchev M4. This is the Myasishchev M4, first produced in 1953 in the Soviet Union, 47.2 meters long with a 50.5 meter wingspan. It was the first Soviet long-range bomber capable of reaching the US from home bases, a symbol of the Cold War era. Airbus A380. This is the Airbus A380, launched in 2005 in Europe, 72.7 meters, long with a 79.8 meter wingspan, and a maximum takeoff weight of 575 tons. It is the largest passenger airliner in the world, featuring 2 full decks and accommodating up to 853 passengers in its highest capacity layout. Airbus A321XLR. This is the Airbus A321XLR, introduced in 2019 in Europe, 44.5 meters long with a 35.8 meter wingspan and the longest range of any narrow-body aircraft, up to 8,700 kilometers. It can seat up to 244 passengers. Airbus A350-1000. This is the Airbus A350-1000, launched in 2016 in Europe, 73.8 meters, long with a 64.75 meter wingspan, seating 440 passengers and flying over 16,000 kilometers. It directly competes with the Boeing 777-9 in the long-haul market. Ilyushin IL-96-300. This is the Ilyushin IL-96-300, introduced in 1988 in the Soviet Union, 5.35 meters long with a 60.1 meter wingspan, carrying 262 passengers. It serves both in civilian airlines and as the official aircraft for the Russian government. Airbus A340-600. This is the Airbus A340-600, unveiled in 2001 in Europe, 75.36 meters long, with a 63.45 meter wingspan, seating 380 passengers and flying up to 14,450 kilometers. It was once the longest passenger aircraft in the world. Airbus A330-900neo. This is the Airbus A330-900neo, introduced in 2017 in Europe, 63.6 meters long with a 64-meter wingspan, seating 287 passengers and flying more than 13,300 kilometers, featuring fuel-efficient sharklet wingtips. Tupolev Tu-204-214. This is the Tupolev Tu-204-214, first flown in 1989 in the Soviet Union, Russia. 46.14 meters long, with a 41.8 meter wingspan, seating about 210 passengers. Comparable in size to the Boeing 757, it has a range of 9,300 kilometers. Myasishchev VMT Atlant. Is this a Myasishchev VMT Atlant, developed in 1980 in the Soviet Union, 58.7 meters long, with a 56.7 meter wingspan. This unique heavy-lift aircraft was designed to carry massive cargo like Energia rockets and Buran space shuttle components on its back. An unforgettable sight in aerospace history.